Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes how to expand recovery partition and enable Windows RE with MBR disk. Open Disk Management. Recovery partition is only 509 MB. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type reagency /info. Type reagency /disable. Type disk part. Type list disk. Select disk 1, disk 1 having recovery partition. No star under GPT indicates the syset partition type is MBR. First select primary partition. Primary partition is 1. Now partition 1 is selected. Shrink desired equal to 250, minimum equal to 250. Now select recovery partition. Recovery partition is 2. Delete recovery partition. Type del part override. Type create partition primary ID equal to 27. Type format quick fs equal to ntfs label equal to Windows RE tools. Type reagency /enable. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.